If you got sent this video, yeah, they low-key think you're gooning to femboys. Now, I don't know if that's true, but if you're feeling a little too defensive right now, yeah, that's kinda sus. Don't worry though, your secret's safe. Well, unless this video keeps getting shared, then everybody's gonna know. And honestly, that's wild, bro. Like you be in your room at 3 a.m., meat in one hand, Discord open on the other, whispering, "Yes, mistress," to a dude in cat ears. Don't lie. Your tissue's been through more trauma than a soldier in 45. At this point, your lotion bottle don't even stand up straight. It's got scoliosis from the amount of stress you put it through. Also, please follow my friend's account. He needs clout way more than you need another post-nut nap. But seriously, follow his account because he low-key got some potential. Yo, quick announcement. I'm doing shout-outs for just $1. Yeah, you heard that right. $1. It can be anything you want. Your account, your brand, even a dumb inside joke for your friend. Only rule, no malware sites, no 18+ stuff. So if you want to see your name pop up in one of my videos while I roast people, hit me up. Cheapest shout-out you'll ever get.